You're solving problems. Intellectual property is intangible. Intangible by its very nature means that it doesn't, you can't touch it and feel it. But if you do things with it, you can turn it into a pen, you can turn it into a phone, you can turn it into recurring revenue coming from anywhere in the world. So going back to the licensing partner, this is your number one deal point. You have to find the right partner. And today, as I showed you with the trend that's going on, this is where the opportunity is. There are companies out there that are looking for you. They're looking to find a way to get associated with a social enterprise, and that's you. And the second part to that is due diligence. Just do your homework. Make sure you understand who you're dealing with. The next point is, and again, I'm going through this quick. Obviously, there's more steps in here, but I just want to give you the high-level understanding of what it is. Okay, the business terms here. Here's the thing that I want you to understand from your negotiating standpoint, okay? Because you don't have to become an attorney on this